In previous lecture, we learned how to build a model to find new drug from database. However, there are too many ingredient combination in database in general. So if we dealing with whole data, it takes long time. So we need some pre-processing to select the importance or possible candidate to build new drug. So when you see this database, of course this is made from me, so it is there are no meaning. However, so when you see that this C ingredient, it is useless, right? So when you find some, when you can find some useless ingredient, you can reduce the time to build model. So you can remove such a useless ingredient. How can we do that? We can remember the feature importance from decision tree or random forest. In tree method, they let you know the importance feature compared to others. So using that, we can remove useless ingredient, and using the importance feature, we can make some model to find new drug. So it reduces the time. So in previous slide, we reduced 30% of database and time, but it's still very large and very long time. So using that, we can reduce more and more. So in this build model, you can use the tree model. However, you can adjust the deep learning after you pick the importance feature. So let's go real code. So this is the database I made. So C is useless, D is useless. You can easily see that, right? This is arbitrary number. So when you do exercise, you can pick your own the number. So import the database, and then Bayesian library import, and then you can NumPy column stack. You can make input data and output data using this one. And then train test split, you can split the data randomly. And then decision tree. Of course, I recommend the random forest to prevent the overfitting problem, but in this code to run basic method, so I adjust the decision tree. So fitting and then float, it is not that important, so float is defeat. And then this is important, so feature importance. So this comment let me know that A and B is important and C, D is useless. So again, you can make input data again, reducing C and D. So using that, it is very compact the input data. So you can train test split, and then after that, it's your own mind. So you can adjust the deep learning or decision tree, random forest, or support vector machine. Is up to you. So in this time, we learn how to reduce the feature to reduce time by picking importance feature up, so we can reduce the time, because the database is so many, there are so many feature and drug list, so we need such a pre-processing.